I'm going to show you how to make 30 days of social content in less than an hour. And I want to now take this and not do any more work, but I just want to turn this into social clips for me. So instead of hiring an editor to do this, I'm going to start with Opus clips. So we'll first go here. This is what you'll see when you click on the link in the description below. Click on my link below. You'll come to this page, and then all you have to do is drop in the link to the video. It can be on Google, it can be YouTube, it can be Vimeo, many other ones. You can even upload a file that you have. I'm going to click on get free clips because when you go to the page, you will see this, and it'll actually take me to my own account because I have an account. And I actually would click the link here, but I've actually already done it because it's like when you're doing like a recipe on camera, you already bake it so that people can see it, the end product. So I've already done it, but it took like 4 minutes to do this. Okay, I went away, it took 4 minutes. So then it's going to, let's see. So this showed you the thumbnail, what it would do. And actually I want to show you what it looks like. So if you click on it to do it again, it does this. It says fetching video. It does a little bit of programming, tells you estimated wait time is about 5 minutes. This took about 4. And then it says, now you can safely leave the page. So it's actually going to replicate it for me just because I wanted to show you this. But what you will see when you actually go back to your main page, once you do this, is it's already been done, right? So then you click there and it has given me, let's see how many clips it gave me. 5. I haven't looked at them yet. Gave me 5 clips in 4 minutes. Let's see what they look like. So what it has done is it took this, the first minute and 20 seconds that it found, it gave you some sort of idea of what it's about. It added colorful captions to it. And if I had been, well, I'll actually show you this. So if I had been with someone else, it would have actually stacked it. So I'll show you that in a second. But what it's done here is, let's see what else it chose. And so what it tries to do is create a hook for you. It also gives you a rating. It says this is 84 out of 100. It has a strong hook, strong flow, strong engagement. It's not really trending though. So you might want to not do that, right? So this is a video that's not going to trend very well, but it's helping you. So it does 5 different videos. Let's see what the least favorite of theirs is. Yeah, because it doesn't really have context to it, and I'm closing my eyes and I'm saying, it's like it's you may be able to go in and make something of it, but it's not perfect. What else you can do is you can download each of these, right? Put it on your phone and then you upload. But you also can trim these. You can also edit these for yourself so that you don't use them all. So I'll show you actually another example of one that's longer. So I did this one with my friend Tiffany. It's something like 40 minutes, yeah, 43 minutes long. And look how many it gave me. I don't want to make you dizzy, but look how many it gave me. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. It gave me 26 videos in a 46-minute conversation. It stacked it for us. And then the 72, let's see what the worst one was, in their opinion.
Those are all pre-recorded, but then every month we also have like a day or two of live interaction with.
And so you were stacked. We have the colorful commentary captions. Let's see what the first one says.
And also too, I didn't even know how. I was like, that's not even a skill set I'm willing to develop because word on the street is it's not happening. So just one, I want to thank you. Yes, because
Okay, so these 24, I would dare say, and I've downloaded all of them to my phone in the past, and you may have seen them on Instagram. I would dare say I would take at least 10 of these that would work. So if you do this, get an account, you do this, and you take 1, 2, 3 of your videos that you've already recorded for YouTube, you can make social content. You can also do it from interviews that you're on. So if you're on someone else's podcast and you have the link to it, you can do it on their videos. You can do it on courses that you have. If you've recorded something for a course and you want just a snippet of it to then promote that course, you can do it there. So anything where you make a video. You can also, if you don't already have this content, you can create the content. Go to Zoom, go to Loom, one of the two. Start recording after obviously creating, the package of like, what is this video going to be about? What is the value that I'm going to give? How long would the video be, etc. And then you can record a video. Let's say you record a 20-minute video where you're talking to camera like I'm doing right now. And then you have a topic. You can feed that into the link in the description at Opus. Feed that into that. And then it'll spit out 10, 20 or more video clips for you to use. So hope this is helpful to you, and I'll see you on Opus.